It's hard to be a better man. You're smoking your last cigarette. If only you knew the things that are on my mind, the memories and sad songs and a photograph of time. I think of all the things I left behind. Time when I was 16, I sworn that I was blind. The therapist said I would just be fine. It was the first time I'd felt two hearts entwined. I am at ease in the arms of I freed my feet from the broken glass and concrete. I wanna write another sad, sad song, 'cause we're all learning right where we belong. Well, the book of poems was given me by a girl I used to know. I read front to back, the time to sow. It's all about the good of life, staying at ease with the world. It's funny how I love that book, I never loved that girl. Time when I was 18, a family reunion. Folks that had bit too much to drink, they were yelling, screaming, falling on the floor. I didn't know what to think, so I went downstairs and wrote to my bed. And I strummed my guitar till I busted off 6 strings. And I am at ease in the arms of the soul. I freed my feet from the broken glass and concrete. I wanna write another sad, sad song. We're all learning right where we belong. The time when I'll be 32, living by the dime, doing the things I love to pass the time. It's not so hard to be the better man anymore.